Good morning students. Continuing from our equation chapter, this is the sixth video on this chapter. Today we are going to learn a new concept called solving two-step equation. How to solve a equation by using two steps. Okay. Then we will solve exercise 8D. Okay. Let's start with the concept. So let's see here. Question is given. Solve 3x plus 5 equal to 11, and after that you have to check. First find out the unknown quantity. What is the unknown quantity here? That is x. Then substituting the value of x in this equation, we will see it is correct or not. That means we have to check it. Okay, so let's start. What is given in the left hand side? That is 3x plus 5. So 3x plus 5 here. Plus 5 is added to 3x. That means we have to transpose plus 5 to the right hand side. Okay. So a plus 5 means what is the transposition of plus? That is minus. Okay. So here, when it will change the sign, its sign will be changed to minus. Okay. So equal to 11 minus 5. So we have transposed plus 5 to the other side and it becomes minus 5. So what is 11 minus 5? That is 6. Now the next method is to cancel this 3. Okay. Or which method will apply here? By using transposition, we can transpose to or shift the 3 which is multiplied with h to the other side, that is 6. Okay, or x equal to 6 divided by 3. Why divided by 3? Because multiplication of transposition will be division. So 3 is multiplied with x and we have transposed the 3 to the other side, that means it will divide with the other side. What is given the value in the other side? That is 6. So it is divided with 6. So 6 divided by 3. So what is the answer? 3 2 is 6. So the answer will be 2. So we have got the value of x as 2. Okay. Now the question is asking to check or verify it is true or not. Okay. So we will put x value 2 in this equation. Let's see. 3x plus 5 is our equation. Okay, so 3 is multiplied with x. So what is x here? That is 2. So 3 into 2 plus 5. So 3 into 2 how much? That is 6. 6 plus 5 equal to 11. So that is same as the value present in the right hand side. So 11 is present in the right hand side also. That means LHS or left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. So that means x value is true for this equation. Okay. Now look at this question. Question is given the difference of a number n divided by 2. So mark this line here, n divided by 2, n divided by 2 and 1. So what the operation here? The difference. First we will see n divided by 2. How to write equation? N divided by 2. We can write like this, n divided by 2. Okay. Now difference of what? Difference of this division and 1. So n by 2 minus 1. Okay. So what is the result? That is 5. Equal to 5. Okay, so this is the equation. N divided by 2 minus 1, because it is given difference. Difference means minus. So n divided by 2 minus 1 equal to how much? Each 5. So now our job is to find out the value of n. To find out the value of n is the question. Okay, that is the number. So try to find out. N by 2 equal to 5 plus 1, because here minus 1 is there attached to this value. So we have to transpose -1 to the other side. Transposing of -1 will be +1. So 5 is added to 1. 5 plus 1. So what is the result? 5 plus 1. That is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Or now look at here. N divided by 2. That means the 2 is divided with n. So we have to transpose this 2. So what is the transposing of division? That is multiplication. So we have to multiply 2 to the other side value. Now n equal to 6 into 2. Okay, 6 into 2 how much? That is 12. So we have got the value of n as 12. This is a two-step equation because here one transposing is this one, this is one transposing, and next one is another transposing. This is transpose. See, look at here, the transposing of +1 here and transposing of 2 here. Okay, +2. So this is called two-step equation. So this method we can solve exercise 8D now. Okay. Now we are going to solve the exercise 8D. Look at the first question of 8D, that is given solve 7x plus 10 equal to 59. So here we have to find out the value of x. So let's find using the method of transposition. Or 7x equal to 59 minus 10. So here we have transposed plus 10 to the other side. It become minus. So what is 59 minus 10? That is 49. Okay. Now the next method is to how to cancel this 7, because 7 is multiplied with x. So we have to find out the value of x. So 7 to be transposed. Here 7 is multiplied. So 7 when it is transposed, it will be divided. Okay. Or x equal to 49 divide 7. So what is the solution? 49 divided 7 is 7, because 7 7s are 49. So 7. What we got the value of x? So we have got the value of x equal to 7. Now look at question number 3. In question number 3, it is given 105 equal to 6 plus 11x. So here we see that 11x plus 6 is in the right hand side. So for our convenience, make it to left hand side, so that value will not change. Or you can write 6 plus 11x equal to 105. It is same as the above equation. Value will not change. Now 6 is added to 11x. That 6 to be transposed or shift. So 11x equal to 105 minus 6. So here I am shifting this 6 to the other side or transposing. So what is 105 minus 6? That is 99. 105 minus 6 is 99. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of x. Here 11 is multiplied with x. So 11 is to be transposed. It is multiplied with x. So multiplication transpose is division. Or x equal to 99 divide 11. What is the result? That is 9. 11 9s are 99. So x value we got here 9. Okay. Now look at question number 5. In question number 5, we say that the equation 3t plus 225 plus 0.8 equal to minus 4.2. So here we have to find out the value of t here. So first step is 3t equal to minus 4.2 minus 25.8. So we have to plug this. Plus 25.8 is there. When it is transposed to the other side, it become minus. So minus 4.2 and minus 25.8. What is the result? Let's see. Add 25.8 and 4.2. So 0 here. 6 plus 4 0 30. So the value came here, that is 3t equal to minus 30. Okay, 30.0 is same as 30. Or what is the next step? Because it is a two-step equation, so first step is over. What is the next step now? We have to find out the value of t. Here we see that 3 is multiplied with t. So 3 is to be transposed. When it is transposed, it will be divided. So t equal to minus 30 divided by 3. So what is the solution? That is 3 10 jar. So minus 10. We have got the value of t equal to minus 10. Okay. Now look at question number 7. In question number 7, it is given that an equation x upon 3 minus 6 equal to 2. Here we have to find out the value of x here. Or we can write, what is the first step? To transpose minus 6 to the other side. So x upon 3 equal to 2 plus 6. So 6 is transposed here. So 2 plus 6 will be 8. Or next step is, first step is over. What is the next step? To transpose this 3. Here 3 is divided with x. So when it is transposed, it will be multiplied. So x equal to 8 into 3. So 8 into 3 is 24. What the value we got here? X equal to 24. Okay.